First of all, I'd like to thank the fine people at Streamlight for sending out the new Wedge Xt for review. Now we're going to zoom in close and take a look at it and compare it with the original Wedge and the macro stream and the ProTac 2L. One of the first features you're going to realize is the XL is thumb activated. It has a tail cap on it. The original, it has this switch. The USB port is on the side of this, where on the original Wedge is at the end. Now we'll show a little bit about the brightness of the two. This is 500 lums. The original one is 300 lums with 1,000 lume burst. The new Wedge Xt also has a low position of 50 lums. And for comparison, the macro stream is a 500 lume with a 50 lume low also. So we'll show them both on high, and we'll show them both on low. Now we'll compare it against the ProTac 2L. It's 500 lums and 50 on low, but it also has a strobe. So we'll show all of it. Low. And there's your strobe. Comes with a little cord, makes it really handy. Just the right length to plug in your USB plug. And now I'm going to show it in complete darkness so you can see what it looks like up against the wall. Now this is the Wedge Xt on high. And now we're going to show it on low. And then we'll turn the original Wedge. We're going to turn it on, which is 300 lums. See the difference? Then you got your 1,000 lume burst. Now we're going to come back and I've got a few more things to show you. First of all, I want to show everyone that this Glock is unloaded, and it does have a Streamlight TR7A weapon light on it. Your weapon light will never replace a handheld light, but if you need to use one, you can do it with this one really easy. Of course, you got your search up here. But if you've got the original Wedge, you're going to have to hold it completely different. For me, this is much better. Now we'll give my final thoughts on it. Okay, one thing I decided not to do was show all the data about how long it runs and the battery life. That's all on the Streamlight website. I just wanted to show everyone the looms, the features, and your comparison with the different Streamlights. And find the one that meets your needs. Of course, if you're someone like me, you've got a dozen of them or more. Go to Streamlight website, pick out the light you want. They've got a great warranty on them. They've got a serial number on each light. Tells you when it was made also. Go to their Facebook page, go to Bearded Sharper's Facebook page. Like and subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends. Till next time.